how to hide likes on Instagram. So there's two things I'm going to show you. One is to hide likes on your own post, and another way is to hide likes on other posts that you may not want to see. So what you can do is go to Instagram, go to your profile at the bottom right hand corner, and go ahead and choose a post that you want to hide the likes on. So I'm just going to click this one here. And what you can do is go to the three dots at the top of the post and go ahead and hit the button saying hide like count. And then that's going to hide the actual likes on your post. Now, to hide likes on other people's posts, what you can do is go ahead and go back out of this, go to the three bars at the top right hand corner of your profile, scroll down until you see what you see section, and go to likes and share counts, and then go ahead and toggle this on because it's going to hide the likes on other posts as well so that you don't see them yourself. And it's that easy.